Looking for an easy dish to serve up for your next special occasion? This recipe is just that. This easy creamy tomato shrimp angel hair pasta dish takes just 15 minutes to make, yet it tastes like it came straight from a restaurant. Impress your friends and families with this one and let me show you how to make it today on the Stay-at-Home Chef. We're going to start by bringing a large pot of water to a boil. Then we're going to cook a pound of angel hair pasta according to the package instructions. While the pasta is cooking, put 2 tablespoons of butter into a large skillet. Once the butter has melted, we're going to add in a pound of shrimp. Make sure it is peeled and deveined before you use it. You can also remove the tails if you want, but I like to leave mine on because they act like little handles and they bring additional flavor. Add to the shrimp 4 cloves of crushed garlic. Give this a stir and cook the shrimp until they turn pink, which happens fairly quickly, depending on the size of shrimp that you use. Then we're going to scoop out the shrimp from the pan, leaving in the garlic and the butter. Then add in 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes. You can use fire roasted or other varieties offered. Season things up with 2 teaspoons of Italian seasonings, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. Give that a stir and bring that to a simmer. Let it simmer for just a few minutes and then turn off the heat. Then stir in 1/2 cup to 1 cup of heavy cream based on how creamy you want this. Add in your cooked pasta and give that a quick toss. We want the pasta to be well coated in that sauce. Add back in the shrimp, give that a toss, and then garnish with parsley. And then you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayathomechef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.